Tired of your CRM feeling like a chaotic mess instead of the streamlined superpower it should be? Keap CRM is the all-known sales and marketing platform designed for entrepreneurs like you, transforming the way you connect with clients, automate your business, and drive serious revenue growth. First, let's look at contacts. Keap automatically captures leads from your website, social media, and landing pages. Think of it as your 24/7 lead generation machine. You can easily segment your contacts based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. Automate repetitive tasks with Keap's powerful automation builder. Drag and drop actions like sending emails, scheduling appointments, or assigning tasks. Set up triggers based on user behavior, ensuring timely follow-ups and personalized communication. Track your progress with Keap's comprehensive reporting tools. Monitor your key metrics, identify areas for improvement, and gain insights into your sales and marketing performance. Keap will help you stay on track. Stop wasting time on manual processes and start focusing on what matters most: growing your business. Visit our website to start your free trial of Keap. Experience the power of a CRM that actually works for you.